Cleaning effectiveness in pharmaceutical manufacturing depends on how several elements work together. Residues, surfaces, cleaning agents, process conditions, system differences, and key parameters each have their own role, but more importantly, they interact within the same system. It is this relationship between factors that determines both the effectiveness and reliability of cleaning. To see how these factors influence cleaning validation outcomes, let's look at them individually. The type of residue shapes how easily the residue can be removed, because its behavior during cleaning directly influences which cleaning agent is chosen, and what parameters are needed for effective removal. Cleaning agents differ in chemistry and in the mechanisms they use, such as emulsifying, dissolving, or dispersing residues. For cleaning to work reliably, the agent must match both the residue type and the surface it interacts with. Surface material, condition, and design features all affect how residues adhere. Smooth stainless steel behaves very differently from plastics, elastomers, or worn surfaces. Even when the same procedure is followed, variations in equipment design, surface condition, or operating behavior can lead to different cleaning outcomes. These system-level differences help to explain why identical processes may not perform the same across different equipment or setups. Cleaning performance also depends on keeping process conditions within validated limits. Stable conditions lead to predictable cleaning and reproducible results. Temperature, pH, contact time, flow rate, and concentration are the parameters that define how effectively the cleaning agent works. When these parameters are well controlled, the cleaning process becomes both effective and consistent. When you view these elements as a connected system rather than isolated pieces, the cleaning process becomes much easier to understand. You can see why certain steps work, why others fail, and where risks may appear. This systems view is what allows you to interpret cleaning performance with confidence and make sound validation decisions.